What if you had purchased Amazon stock in the past? You could have made a fortune with that little investment. Finding the next big opportunity like that is what everyone wants to do. We'll examine 3 stocks in this video that some analysts think have the same incredible growth potential. Let's get started. It is crucial to realize this before we begin. I am not a financial advisor. This video is only meant to be entertaining and instructive. This isn't financial guidance. Always do your own research and talk to a professional before making any investment decisions. You could lose money if you invest. We didn't choose businesses at random. We sought out stocks with a genuine potential for significant growth. They must first have a sizable market, a good or service that millions of people will require. Secondly, they require a powerful edge that makes them difficult to imitate. Thirdly, they require sound financial standing or a well-defined revenue-generating strategy. These are the same indicators that helped Amazon succeed. Stock number 1 is the industry giant. Let's examine our first stock, a veritable behemoth in the industry space. This company's strong brand and large customer base make it a leader. Its enormous size, which makes it extremely difficult for rivals to catch up, is its primary strength. Because it is already so big, there is a significant chance that its growth will eventually slow down. Keep in mind that this is not a purchase recommendation. Stock number 2 is the industry innovator. Our second choice is a true trailblazer in the industry field. This company uses new cutting-edge technology to change the rules rather than follow them. Its greatest asset is its inventiveness, which might enable it to seize a completely untapped market. The primary risk is that, as this technology is new and untested, it may not function as intended. This is not an investment recommendation, just information for you. Stock number 3 is the industry disruptor. Our last stock is a real game changer. By doing things in a totally new and improved way, it is revolutionizing the entire industry. Its main strength is that it challenges big, old companies and offers customers a fresh choice. The greatest danger is that those big rivals will put up a fierce fight. This analysis is not a sales pitch. Rather, it is meant to educate. Thus, those 3 distinct businesses had a lot of promise. However, keep in mind that great potential also entails great risk. They might struggle, or they might grow a lot. The purpose of this video was to share ideas, not to give you instructions. Before making any decisions, always conduct your own research. Thank you for viewing. Final warning. One last crucial caution. Stock investing is dangerous. In fact, you might lose money. There is no assurance that the businesses we talked about will expand. This video was not intended to advise you on how to spend your money. Rather, it was meant to provide you with information. Before making an investment, please exercise caution and consult a financial professional. What do you believe might become the next Amazon? Post your thoughts in the comments provided below. For more straightforward personal finance advice, please like and subscribe to Monetive if you like this video. Thank you for viewing.